Hello there everyone and welcome. I'm out today for a bit of a bimble and I'm out today with Claire.
Hello.
And we've got Bramble, our dog. Hi Bramble. Hi girl. And as I mentioned, we've came out for a bit of a walk and we're gonna find a nice little spot in the woods. And the purpose of today's video is to look at a new bit of kit that we've recently got. So what we'll do, we'll carry on our little journey, we'll find a nice spot to stop off and we'll bring you along. Right then folks, we've finally arrived at our chosen destination.
Yay.
And what a mission we've had trying to find a nice dry spot to do the video. Everywhere we've been has been swampy, really wet, and even the roads getting here, we've had to do a detour because of flooded roads. It's been a mission, hasn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
And as you can gather from the name of the title of the video, we're out here today to take a look at, oh, Bramble wants to be on the show, to look at the Kettle Scout. I've recently purchased this and I won't go into all specs or anything like that because there's loads of videos out there on YouTube telling you about the specs and everything on these Kettles, but one thing we do know is they are supposed to be a fantastic bit of kit, and this is a full cook set, so it's going to be a versatile bit of kit and we're looking forward to using it. My reason for purchasing this, as a lot of our regular viewers know, my dad sadly passed away September last year, and both myself, my sister and my brother were all left a little bit of money. Nothing massive or anything like that, but a little bit of money all the same. And myself personally, as much as money makes the world go around, it holds no sentimental value whatsoever. So what I thought I'd do, I thought I'd buy myself something that I can take out into the woods and enjoy, and put my dad in my thoughts when I'm in a nice environment such as the woods or outdoors. Bramble, come on. I'm not talking to you. Come on, good girl. So what we'll do, we'll take this out the bag and we'll take a look at it, and we'll get it our first go of it, because we've not used it yet. Right, first we've got the kettle itself. I think that holds about 1.5 litres, but I'm not too sure. We've got the pan grip. You were nosy. We've got the base. We've got the Hobo stove top. Get the Cocker Spaniel, they said. You'll never regret it. What you're doing, you. We've got the saucepan. We've got 2 cups with silicone lip guards. We've got the frying pan, or the lid for the saucepan part of it. And we've got 2 plates. The trivet, I think that's the word I'm looking for, and the grill bit. Today we'll be using the kettle, the Hobo stove, obviously the burner, the cups and the plates. I've brought out a separate pan to cook some lunch, because simply they won't be adequate to do what we've got planned today, will they? So what we'll do, we'll get this lit and we'll get the kettle on, because I'm ready for a brew now. Yes.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Let's get some water into the kettle. That should be plenty for us both, shouldn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
We've brought plenty more if we need it. Well, we will need it. Bring that round there. That way goes to the bottom. Hey?
Where does it go?
I'm just that's it now. That goes with the arrow pointing to the bottom, like so, and just place that in. Apparently you don't push that in all the way. Let's move them sticks along. Right, we've got a second boil, and that literally took no time at all. How fast is that boiling?
Oh, I'm amazed.
And we've used virtually no more or hardly any more fuel. 1 bit, 2 bits maybe. So we'll get this poured and make a nice brewer. It's got a nice pouring action.
Who's getting the big mug?
Me. I'm the big mug. There we go, we'll let that brew and we'll sort this out. We'll get the Hobo stove part put on it and we'll get some food cooked because I'm getting quite hungry now. Are you?
Yeah.
We've got some bacon, egg and cheese wraps to make. Looking forward to it with some nice spicy sauce.
Absolutely.
Right, let's get this bit off, see how that goes. Get another little bit of wood in there like so, and we'll let that burn down and we'll get the pan on. Have a look. Yeah, we'll get this on now anyway. How the heck have I got this in here? There we go.
Oh, you've got it on now.
Yeah. And I've brought out today the NGT, like a toasty pan. It's a bit like the Ridge Monkey, but just quite a little bit cheaper. There we go, we'll put that on there, let that heat up, and we'll get some bacon on the go. Right then, let's get some bacon on the go. We've brought out some nice smoked streaky bacon to go in this. How's your brew?
Very nice.
Oh, good.
Breakfast blend.
Yeah, is that what you've got? Breakfast blend?
I think it's a bit of a stronger, but it's tasty.
Yeah. Plenty of bacon in there for you.
Yeah.
Well, cup of tea is lovely, and as I mentioned, it's going to be really nice coming out to the woods and what have you, and bringing all this out with me, and putting my dad in my thoughts and enjoying his memory. So here's to me dad. Cheers. Cheers for that.
Cheers.
Cheers dad.
Cheers, Dad.
Get the eggs in that. There we go. You got that?
Cool. That's good.
There we go. Let that cook for a while before we add some cheese and some hot sauce. Well, Claire's eggs and bacon has been cooking for a little while now, so what we're going to do is add some cheese. We'll close that back up. Click it shut, and then we'll clamp it tight and flip it over. There we go. How's that?
Nice.
Looks
Very
well
nice.
tasty, doesn't it?
Yeah.
There we go. Just that one side. Done some hot sauce, Claire?
Yeah, always
You like it spicy, don't you?
spicy.
Let's keep it clean. I don't suppose you want that one. Say when?
Then, when?
Then. Do you want it cutting in half?
Yeah.
Wow. I'm sure you'll agree. That does look quite tasty. There you go, Dal. There's your dinner. I'll get mine on. Get a bit more wood on. I've got some more bacon on the go for another one, and we've decided to share this one, and they are unreal. So just check how my bacon's doing. Oh, it's cooking nice. Cooking nice. There's a little bit more wood on. Got more little bits. There we go. Get that bacon cooked nice. And enjoy this. Got such a long time since we've cooked these.
Yeah.
Beautiful. I would definitely highly recommend cooking these. So we'll bring you back when mine's done, or the other one's done. We've got a different sauce for that one. We'll try that one, see how that works with that. Right, that's the second one cooked. Let's loosen that away from the side so it comes off nice and easy. Put that up there. Just put that on the wrap, and put that to one side again. And this time we've got some Squadron Leader from the Steak Detective. This is absolutely beautiful, this sauce. Have you had this one yet?
Not sure.
It really is nice. It's called a breakfast sauce, but it's like a bit like a brown sauce, but it just tastes unreal. There we go, plenty on there. We'll get the Hobo stove off the heat. We'll do that, I think, and then we'll get the kettle back on and have another brew. There we go. Put some of them sticks down there. What do you want? Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Do you want to go? Eh? Do you want to go for a walk? Because you're a good girl, aren't you? It was a good girl. Right then, guys, that's us ready for the off. We're all packed up. We've cleared away, and we've thoroughly enjoyed ourselves this afternoon, haven't we?
Yeah, peaceful.
It's been amazing, really peaceful. We're both really impressed with the Kelly kettle, and we just think we've done the right thing by buying that, don't we?
Yeah, absolutely.
And what better tribute to me dad, a bit of a homage, than buying something I can take out with us, or we can take out with us, and just enjoy time in nature where we love and remember him. We'd just like to say thank you very much for watching. We hope you've enjoyed the video as much as we've enjoyed being out, and we're going to head off now, and as always, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Yeah, stay safe.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.
Claire's just reminded me. Where have you reminded me, Claire?
Yep. If you like this video, subscribe and press the thumbs up.
Yep, just give it a thumbs up and share if you.
Yeah, sure.
We'd appreciate that.
What?